What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy S.Craft Blends back again with another barber video, and today I'm actually going to take the old battery out of my 100th anniversary wall seniors cordless. Just like I did my cordless wall seniors, I took the old battery out and put in the new TOMB45 Eco battery. The reason I did that is because it gives you double the battery life throughout the day. Usually I can get about 3 haircuts, maybe 4 in, with my cordless seniors, and then they're dead. I have to put them back on the charger. However, with the new TOMB45 Eco battery, I'm telling you what, I can charge it, at night. When I come in the morning to cut, I cut hair all day long, guys, and I don't have to put it back on the charger. And that is a win. You know what I'm saying? That's a blessing. So I decided to do that with my 100th anniversary wall seniors as well. And I got a little surprise. If you watch to the end, you will see this new modification that I came up with. I like it. Some of you guys know that I, kind of modified my wall seniors, and I put the Andis Master blade on there, and I use my purple magnetic guards, which is amazing. I love it. And I did my own mod on that kind of whenever I first heard that it was possible, and then I found out later on that Filthy Blends was actually building them and selling them. So I can tell you right now, to make it yourself is a pain in the butt. A lot of times you get the measurements wrong. You can't zero gap it, or the blade is sitting crooked, or whatever. But he's getting someone to manufacture them for him. So, one of the things that I don't do is I'm not gonna put his business out in the street and show you how to make them. But you can order them from him, or if you know how to use a drill and tap and all that good stuff, you can modify your own. So I was thinking, what would I like to do to modify my new 100th anniversaries? They're not really new, but my custom black ones, my 100th anniversary, they've been sitting around, and I've just been using my other custom black wall seniors because they had the master blade on there. So I was like, what would I want to do to modify those clippers? Obviously, we gotta put the battery in it. It's not even a question. And as I started thinking, how can I use my purple magnetic guards and all this stuff, I came up with a plan. And if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see it. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you simply how to take out your old battery, put the new battery in, so you can rock and roll and get that extra battery life. Let's go. So as you can see, I already have my TOMB45 battery, the Eco battery, in my wall seniors, and basically I put these in probably a couple weeks ago, and they are off the chain, so I figured I'd take these apart and just kind of clean them out. And dude, these things are just ridiculous. The power is crazy, and that TOMB45 battery looks dope. If you have a clear lid, it's even better. I'm not really into the clear lids. That's just me. I like to do everything black, which I need to clean that up a little bit. But this was a clear lid. I had my guy who customized my stuff paint it for me, so it's just better for my eyes. Anyways, so yeah, I'll put all that back together, and that thing will be ready to rock and roll. For those that always ask, I do have the master blade on there, which I definitely need to clean as well. However, I do have a ceramic wall blade on there as well. I think it's one of the Omni blades. I got it from my distributor, and basically the reason I like the ceramic blade is they cut amazing. The wall ceramic blade with this master blade, it just cuts amazing. However, I just like the fact that it's not shiny, and whenever I'm flicking, that light doesn't hit me in my eye. Because there again, my eyes are very sensitive. I don't know if it's because they're blue or I'm just a weenie. I don't know. All I know is they are very sensitive, and whenever I put this ceramic blade on here, it just, I just like it. Now I will say that I do not have a ceramic blade from my other ones, so we'll just use what we got. I don't think I do. I'm gonna look. But anyways, yeah, so that's it. Once again, you can see got the TOMB45 battery in there, and we about to put one in the other one just because they are fire. So guess what, guys? I do actually have a ceramic blade on my 100th anniversary, so that is dope. All right, so basically to change the battery out from the old battery to the TOMB45 battery, we need to take the screws out. So I'm going to do that really quick. All right, so it has that old ugly orange battery in there. We're going to take that out of there. Let's keep this little cushion piece because we want to stop the vibration, from happening with the clipper lid. So we're going to first go ahead and we're going to kind of lift this whole piece out right here with this little motherboard, and then we're going to pull the battery out. If I can get it out. All right, so as you can see, the battery comes with a wire on it. I'm just going to kind of try to pull this without breaking it. All right, so I just pulled that off. There's the battery piece. I'm going to throw that to the side. Here is the new TOMB45 Eco battery right out of the pack, brand new. And we're going to go ahead and stick this one down in there. So we're going to kind of ease this back into place right here. Make sure that if you see there's these little brackets down in here where the motherboard clips down into that, let's make sure that that stays inside those little slots. Hold it in place. And then we're just going to, I guess we should have it like that, huh? Dang, I put the other one in backwards. Either way, it doesn't matter. But we got the nice little TOMB45 battery right there. And you just take this little piece and you're going to stick it down in the hole. Make sure it's clipped down in there really nice. All right. I'm going to make sure all that's good. And then I don't have a blade on there, obviously, so it sounds a little bit louder than it's supposed to. But boom, yeah, we have that thing in there nice and neat. It's looking fresh. So then all we have to do is simply put the lid back on. Oh, I just told you guys, don't forget this piece right here. I'm about to do it myself. See, now if you're gonna put a clear plastic lid on there, don't put that on there because you actually want to see, the TOMB45 logo on there. So once we do that, we're just gonna stick all these back in here. All right, so as you guys have seen, these are my cordless wall seniors, customized all black. They have the ceramic blade on there with the Andis Master blade. However, dun 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 dun, here we have the customized all black 100th anniversary series Wall Senior with that beautiful metal housing and this beautiful metal lever here. And we have the ceramic blade, nice and zero gapped. But look at this new blade we have on here. Are you ready? You ain't ready for it. You ain't ready for it. Are you ready for it? Boom! Anybody know what blade that is? That is called the Oster Fast Feed Blade. So I modified the bracket to fit the Oster Fast Feed Blade. The Fast Feeds are one of my favorite clippers of all time, if not the favorite. I tell you what, if Oster Fast Feed would actually come out with a cordless clipper, it is game over, folks. I would have 10 of them, and that's all I would ever use, I'm sure. So I decided, you know what? Why don't we just put the Oster Fast Feed blade with a ceramic blade on this beautiful Wall 100 series anniversary clippers. And that's what we did. Now, the reason I haven't been using this clipper as much is because it had a Wall fade blade on here. But I love my magnetic clips so much with the, you know, the purple magnetic guards. They just go right onto that master blade so beautifully that you're always asking about. That I was like, man, I don't want to use this with a Wall blade, so should I put a master blade and just have two of them? And but what I love is this slips perfectly on the Oster Fast Feed blade as well. So now I can keep all my same guards and have a master blade and have an Oster Octane blade. Tell me what you guys think about it. Is it not genius, folks? I believe it is. This is a beautiful creation. Once again, if they came out with the cordless Oster Fast Feeds, I'd just throw all these away. I'd give them all away. Well, that's how I'd grow my channel. I would do a giveaway of every clipper that I have just to get the Oster Octanes. However, this is the next best thing. Tell me what you think. Hey, if you guys love the Oster Fast Feeds as much as I do, then hit me up. Filthy Blends started, you know, selling brackets for the Wall Seniors to put the master blade on there. I may go ahead and start making, you know, brackets for the Oster Fast Feed blade on there. Let me know what you guys think. Hit me up in the comments, and we might get something going. Peace.